Tokyo is the ultra-modern and busy capital of Japan and the world's most populous metropolitan area. From its rich tapestry of historical sites to its enchanting romantic spots, Tokyo beckons travelers with a myriad of distinct charms that transform it into an unforgettable destination. Here are the best places to visit in Tokyo, Japan, that are great for both first-time visitors and seasoned travelers. Number 15. Tsukiji Outer Market. Tsukiji, once the most renowned fish market in the world, is today an almost sacred place in Tokyo for both sushi enthusiasts and those who are interested. Given some don't enjoy getting up early, this is one of the greatest locations to start your trip in Tokyo. By visiting Tsukiji early in the day, you will be in the perfect spot to see a lot in one day. Number 14. Nihan Minka in Japan, Open Air Folk House Museum. The Nihan Minka in Japan Open Air Folk House Museum, located in a residential area of nearby Kawasaki City, feels like it's in another country and several centuries, even though it's only 20 minutes by train from central Tokyo. A temple, a watermill, and a kabuki stage are all located on the expansive grounds, which are also home to 25 exquisitely maintained Edo-era houses that have been moved from various rural areas of Japan. The houses range in design from farmhouses to samurai houses and feature a variety of architectural types. It is a great place to start your historical trip. Number 13. Inakashira Park. If you're looking for a chilled and relaxed ambience in Tokyo, Japan, Inakashira Park is the best place to be. Inakashira Park is located in the Kichijoji area, one of Tokyo's hippest neighborhoods, which is home to plenty of hip and fashionable cafes and stores. It is one of the biggest parks in Tokyo, with a large area that includes a pond and a zoo. It is also a popular spot for watching cherry blossoms and fall leaves. Number 12. Meiji Shrine. Meiji Shrine's original building was destroyed during World War II, but it was reconstructed in 1958 and is still one of the most important religious places in Tokyo. It is located at 1 Yoyogi Kamizunocho, Shibuya City, Tokyo. Highlights of the temple include its inner precinct, Nyan, which houses a museum with royal artifacts, and its outer precinct, Gyan. It was surrounded by a 175-acre evergreen forest that is home to about 120,000 trees, representing species found across Japan, as well as the interesting wishing tree, on which visitors can write and hang their most sincere wishes. Don't forget to stop at the nearby Yoyogi Gyoen, Meiji Shrine Inner Garden, a lovely public garden with a tea house, iris garden, and a welcoming arbor. Number 11. Sumo Training Viewing. Grand sumo tournaments are an old and popular competition in Japan and are only held occasionally throughout the year. You can, however, get a glimpse into the daily training of sumo wrestlers at any time of the year if you go to their home arena. Wrestlers reside and train in several types of sumo training residences in the Ryogoku district of Tokyo, near the Asakusa neighborhood and the Tokyo Skytree. Some of them are available to the public, allowing them to observe their morning training up close. It's not just a place to observe their dynamic and strong actions, it's also a place to learn about Japanese traditions and disciplines, which you might not encounter every day. Number 10. Hiru. Hiru is a great choice if you prefer trendy places like Shibuya and Harajuku, but want to avoid the crowds. Hiru has a peaceful and calming atmosphere. Many embassies are housed there, and it's a well-liked neighborhood for foreign residents. It's a terrific place to discover the newest trends in Tokyo cuisine because it's home to many chic establishments, including cafes and restaurants that provide modern and healthful food. Number 9. Yanaka. Tokyo is most famous for its modern, futuristic side, which includes high-tech and skyscrapers. But going on a trip through history is an excellent choice because it gives you a completely new perspective on Tokyo. Although it lies in the heart of Tokyo, the Yanaka neighborhood is a true hidden gem because it preserves an authentic neighborhood vibe. Discover the lovely neighborhood while shopping and dining like a native at Yanaka Ginza Shopping Street. Enjoy strolling through the neighborhood, stopping for quick bites, and discovering hidden attractions. Number 8. Kabukiza Theater. It is a magnificent theater that showcases a centuries-old kind of performance and is located at 4 Chom 1215 Ginza, Chuo City, Tokyo. The theater's interior is always cozy, and feels more like a big family gathering than a stage performance because attendees either bring their food or buy treats from the various restaurants scattered throughout the building. Try one of the delectable bento box meals. The length of a performance is up to the audience, who stay for as long as they like. And no one seems to find it offensive when people arrive and leave, or when they make loud cheers or jeers. Number 7. Tokyo National Museum. The Tokyo National Museum is an art gallery in Ueno Park and can be found at 13-9 Ueno-koen in Taito City, Tokyo. It contains the world's largest collection of Japanese artifacts and works of art. The main exhibition of Japanese art from various eras, including kimonos and samurai swords, can be found in the Honkan Gallery. More than 100,000 significant items of Japanese, Chinese, and Indian art are kept in the Tokyo National Museum, including more than 100 national treasures. There are also lots of lovely calligraphy examples. Visit the neighboring museum for East Asian art, which has 15 exhibition galleries, as well as the museum's traditional Japanese landscape garden with its 3 pavilions, including the Tain Tea House, Rokuso-an, built in the 17th century. Number 6. Asakusa, Sensoji Temple, and the Nakamise Commercial District, which connects the Kaminaraman entrance gate to the temple, are just 2 of the many attractions in this fascinating neighborhood to explore. With a 1,400-year-old history, the Sensoji Temple is Tokyo's oldest temple. Take a photo of the Goju no To, a 5-story pagoda, by entering through the Hosoman Gate with its gigantic hanging lanterns. Asakusa is frequently crowded with individuals wearing traditional kimonos, and you may take a rickshaw tour along the main streets, being pulled by people dressed in historical clothing. With so many different eateries, including Daikokuya Tempura Honten's Tempura, Asakusa is a great place to go for lunch. Number 5. Odaiba. On a man-made island in Tokyo Bay, there is a modern entertainment area called Odaiba. You can take the unmanned Yurikamome train across Rainbow Bridge to go to the island, or you can take a boat from Asakusa and enjoy the Bay Area. The replica of the Statue of Liberty and the Rainbow Bridge, which are both magnificently lighted at night, are just 2 of the emblematic icons that can be seen from Odaiba Marine Park. Spending a cool day at the beach, or trying out sports like windsurfing, are also excellent ways to enjoy a wonderful summer day in Tokyo. Number 4. Kichijoji. Kichijoji, on the western side of Tokyo, provides a variety of both modern and traditional attractions. Visit the huge Inakashira Park, Japan's first suburban park, which features greenery and lovely seasonal flowers in an inviting atmosphere. This is a well-known sakura destination in the spring, where you can rent swan boats and go sailing. The amazing Ghibli Museum is unquestionably the attraction that attracts the most tourists to the area. Anyone who enjoys watching Ghibli movies must go here. It's just over 4 minutes to walk to the fantastic shopping area known as Kappas Kichijoji from JR Kichijoji Station. Experience a unique nightlife experience at Harmonica Yokocho Alley, a small street crammed with neighborhood bars and eateries. Number 3. Mount Takao. Did you know that Tokyo has mountains that you can hike on? In less than 1.5 hours by train from the center of Tokyo, Mount Takao is a fantastic hiking location. This 599 meters peak, which has been classified as a 3-star hiking destination by the Michelin Guide, receives over 3 million people each year. It offers a variety of beautiful hiking trails for all skill levels, from beginners to families with young children to experienced hikers. The Mount Takao cable car makes it simple for tourists to reach the mountain's midpoint. Visit the iconic Buddhist temple Yakuo-in, or relax in Gokurakuyu's hot springs. Number 2. Tokyo Skytree. The Tokyo Skytree is the highest building in Japan and the tallest freestanding broadcasting tower in the world, towering at a height of 634 meters. There are 2 observation decks with 360-degree views of Tokyo at heights of 350 and 450 meters. Thrill seekers will love it, but it's not for the people with faint of heart. Number 1. Shibuya. Shibuya Crossing, Shibuya, 109, and the Hachiko statue at Shibuya Station are just a few of the fascinating places in the Shibuya neighborhood. Although Shibuya has long been one of Tokyo's most popular areas, it is now even more of a must-see destination. In some ways, Shibuya Crossing has come to symbolize Japan, and for many visitors, a trip to Tokyo wouldn't be complete without passing through this intersection. The area has been undergoing extensive reconstruction projects, and several new structures and amenities, including Shibuya Stream, Shibuya Parko, Miyashita Park, and Dogonzaka Dori, have opened. This is the best place to end your trip in Tokyo, Japan. Happy trip! And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing travel videos every Friday at 12 noon.